bright and versatile for any professional installation, the ViewSonic Lightstream Pro 8 series of projectors deliver everything you need for big screens in big venues. Packed with 5,200 lumens of high brightness, these projectors are guaranteed to shine in virtually any environment. Thanks to SuperColor technology, content is brought to life with captivating color, crisp graphics, and stunning videos. From large boardrooms to auditoriums and more, our Pro 8 series of projectors will meet all of your professional installation needs. Providing more than a little wriggle room for easy, no-hassle installation, ViewSonic's Pro 8 projectors are loaded with options for extreme mounting flexibility. A vertical lens shift feature offers up and down adjustments of the projection lens for flexible placement. Horizontal and vertical keystone correction and a four-corner adjustment feature eliminate crooked and distorted images for a perfectly proportioned picture every time. A wide 1.6 times optical zoom provides more mounting flexibility over a standard optical zoom. What's more, a centered lens design makes this projector ideal for replacing existing centered lens installations without moving or reinstalling ceiling mounts or projection screens. Smart and convenient design features include a hidden porthole compartment that features an MHL HDMI port paired with an optional HD-Base-T adapter that provides a perfect combination of audio-video performance via network cabling. A centrally located, easy-to-use power button also functions as an IR receiver and control for remote devices, while intuitive LED lights indicate whether any dongles are powered on within the porthole compartment. And with our powerful Sonic Expert technology, you can expect room-filling sound for an incredibly immersive experience that will engage and wow your audience. Ideal for use in even the most demanding of environments, our Pro 8 high-bright, high-resolution projectors deliver the best projection technology for the installation market, all backed by ViewSonic's industry-leading 3-1-1 warranty. Captivate your audience today. For more information, visit ViewSonic.com.